Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I've got a very special one for you today, as today we're going to be taking a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Life. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. This lovely Multivan Life comes in a pearlescent paint colour deep black. Across the front of the vehicle it comes with LED headlights with separate LED daytime running lights, as well as integrated front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below the vehicle sits on the very stylish 16-inch Sycris silver alloy wheels with low resistance rolling tyres. There are two sliding doors. Taking a look behind, one reveals a very handsome interior with a total of 5 seats in the rear passenger area. The rear seats are finished in the lovely bi-colour fabric, finished in a lovely raven black and sand. There is also a table in the middle, providing additional comfort and luxury to the rear passengers. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll take a look at some of the features here. The vehicle comes fitted with a tailgate to the rear and also has an integrated rear spoiler system, which gives a nice sporty look to an MPV vehicle. Taking a look behind the lovely tailgate reveals a spacious boot area, which can be extended with the front seats being moved forward. On the outer side we can explore that tailgate with a little bit more detail, and above the number plate is a rear view camera system. Down below we have some lovely Multivan badging. The vehicle also comes with rear parking sensors as well. Moving up to the driver's interior. The driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit system. The vehicle also comes with a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, and throughout the rest of the interior are spacious storage compartments, as well as ample legroom for driver and passengers alike. So ladies and gentlemen, that will finish the 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Life. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. However, you can stick around, as later on in the video we'll explore that interior in much greater detail. So thank you for sticking around. The controls for the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors are located on the driver's door card. The controls for the front light switches, as well as the front and rear heated windscreen, are located to the right hand side of the steering wheel in a touch button arrangement. This is useful as it allows a very quick useful feature, making turning the lights on and off, as well as heating the front and rear windscreen a simple touch of a button. Moving over to the very handsome 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, this allows the driver to have a completely customizable driver experience. This is even more so with the digital cockpit system, as the driver can have a completely unique driving experience, even completely removing menus if they choose to do so. Here is an example, as the navigation system is on the digital cockpit itself, allowing the driver to remain more focused on the road ahead. The vehicle also comes with a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, including App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. Also comes with inbuilt navigation with the very tech-savvy 3D Maps software, with a variety of different uses, such as identifying your current whereabouts with the help of landmarks. Vehicle's climate controls can be accessed with one of the climate buttons on the bottom. The climate controls include 2 front heated seats, as well as climatic air conditioning system. The fan speed and temperature can all be controlled on the touchscreen itself, with a button bar located on the bottom to increase and decrease said speed and heat. The vehicle also comes with a variety of different features, including the parking assist menu. The vehicle features front and rear parking sensors, as well as a rear view camera. Once reverse gear has been selected, that rear view camera feed will automatically display on the colour touchscreen infotainment system. The vehicle also has the dynamic road sign display, as well as adaptive cruise control and a front assist city emergency braking function, perfect for all of those longer drives on the road. The rest of the cab is very spacious with multiple storage compartments, as well as some lovely decorative trims finished in the dark silver brushed, and the front two seats, like the rears, are finished in the lovely Ribella cloth seat upholstery. So, ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately that will end the 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Life. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. If you like what you've seen so far in this video, then feel free to leave a like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.